conversations around racial unity so confusing? Well, I'd start off by saying there are different terms being used depending on the side of the fence that you're on. Issues like racism, which used to be seen as one person's heart attitude, has now switched to being things like prejudice plus power. Until we come to the table with clear definitions with the person that we're having a conversation with, we begin to speak right past each other. Another reason these conversations can become confusing is because we don't have anything at stake with one another. It's easy for someone to walk away if I'm not living in relationship with the person that I'm having a conversation with. Lastly, I believe that they can become confusing when we allow our emotions to take charge of the conversation. The goal of the conversation shouldn't be to win the war, but to win the next conversation, to stay in the conversation long enough that I can have a clear understanding from that person's perspective and they can have a clear understanding of mine. But again, we only get there when we have clear definitions of our terms and relationship.